How to unlock the secrets of your business's financial reputation, getting your Equifax business credit report. Ever wonder what lenders see when they consider your business for a loan? It's not just your handshake and that killer business plan. Businesses, just like us individuals, have credit scores and reports. Today, we're diving deep to answer the question, how do you get your hands on your Equifax business credit report? Having a solid business credit report is crucial. It can impact everything from securing loans and lines of credit to attracting investors and even getting better deals from vendors. Think of it as your business's financial report card, a trusted third-party assessment of your creditworthiness. But unlike personal credit reports, which you can access for free weekly in the US, business credit reports require a different approach. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how to navigate the world of business credit reporting, specifically with Equifax. First things first, does your business even have an Equifax report? Unlike personal credit, not all businesses have established credit files. If your business is brand new or hasn't built a credit history by taking on loans or using credit cards, there might not be an Equifax report waiting for you. The good news? Every action you take to build business credit, think on-time payments to vendors or opening a business credit card, contributes to your report. Okay, so you think there might be an Equifax report out there. How do you get it? Equifax doesn't offer free access to business credit reports like they do for personal reports. There are two main ways to obtain your Equifax business credit report. Purchase a one-time report. This is the most straightforward option. Head over to Equifax's website and browse their business credit report products. Prices typically range around $100 for a single report. Consider a credit monitoring service. Equifax doesn't offer business credit monitoring currently, but there are other providers that do. These services typically involve a monthly fee and provide ongoing monitoring of your business credit report, alerting you to any changes or potential errors. Important note, you can't just waltz in and request another company's Equifax business credit report. Equifax offers separate services for businesses to assess the creditworthiness of potential partners, but that requires a whole different permission dance. Alright, I got my report. Now what? Your shiny new Equifax business credit report will be packed with information, including basic business information, name, address, DUNS number, etc. Public records, liens, judgments, bankruptcies, yikes. Trade line details. This is where things get interesting. This section details your business's credit history, including how you handle accounts payable, credit lines, and other financial obligations. On-time payments are your best friend here. Reading your report is like deciphering a financial secret code. Don't worry, you're not alone. Equifax offers resources and guides to help you understand what everything means. And remember, if you find any errors, you have the right to dispute them. So, how can this newfound knowledge supercharge your business success? Loan applications become a breeze. With a strong business credit report in hand, you can approach lenders with confidence, knowing your financial history speaks volumes about your creditworthiness. Unlock better interest rates. A stellar credit report can translate into lower interest rates on loans and lines of credit, saving your business serious money in the long run. Attract investors and partners. A healthy business credit report demonstrates your financial responsibility, making you a more attractive proposition to potential investors and collaborators. Remember, building and maintaining a strong business credit report is a marathon, not a sprint. By consistently making on-time payments, managing your credit utilization wisely, and monitoring your report for errors, you can cultivate a rock-solid financial reputation that paves the way for future success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.